We're back. Still have no shirt on. Stripes is busy right now. I can't find him.
Hey, let's look for Stripes. I know Stripes can hang out. Yeah, I know Stripes.
You're full of shit. You?
I know Stripes hangout at.
Let's go.
Stripes hangout over there. See? That's Stripes hangout.
I know, cats hang out down there.
Try that tree. There's like a. Hey, look, there's like a cave over there, like a big old hole. So that's a stadium, so we won't get wet.
Want to explore it? Oh, never mind. It says no trespassing. I forgot about that.
Where?
On that sign over there when they saw it.
No, it's those people over there.
You want to go back in?
No, let's go over there. There's more rain over there. Look, go upstairs, more rain.
Damn, it's thundering, peeps. Subscribe.